2016 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, power seat, rear view camera. Your new ride is just a phone call away.